Hello everyone! I've opened so many of these, so I stopped counting. But today feels different. I already got these. There are 3 boxes and 1 mission. Find Nezuko. Alright, box 1. Come on Nezuko, wait. Is that masked Inosuke? Okay, not Nezuko, but I'll take it. Let's open the second box. Oh, a new one. His name is Tomioka. Alright, last box. Shaking the box for extra luck. Write in the comments who's your favorite character. Wait, no way. It's actually her. And it's the rare one. Somebody call Tanjiro. I'm gonna pass out. Look at her. She's so cute.